One of the greatest gifts that we possess as soul being human is the ability to forgive. One of the most difficult things that we can do is to forgive ourselves, is to give ourselves the gift of forgiveness. Here's a way to think about it, perhaps. I forgive my human self. I forgive my thoughts, and I forgive my actions, and I forgive my deeds that were other than love, or kindness, or caring, or compassionate. As a soul, identifying with my truth, my higher self, I have the power and the ability and the courage to forgive my humanness, to forgive my ego personality. But I also, as this soul, have the responsibility to learn from my thoughts and actions, to be responsible for my every thought, every action, every deed. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a good, neutral, unbiased look at the way that I think, because the way I think is the way that I behave. It creates habits. And one by one, I'm going to look at my most prominent habits. What do I keep doing? And why? I'm going to ask myself a very simple question. Does this, my every habit, serve love greater still? Probably not. So in this light of my soul, this higher self thinking, I'm going to be honest, really honest with myself. And I'm going to accept whatever it is that does not work. I'm going to accept change. I'm going to change it. I'm going to have the courage and the bravery to change my negative ego, to enforce the divine will of my soul on my humanness, on my mind. And I'm going to dissolve and disintegrate negative habitual thinking. I'm going to do that through light. Through light that flows into my being, that flows into the place where I think negatively. I don't have to know where that place is. My soul already knows. But what I have to do is to make the effort to bring such a light, such a purifying light, such a successful light, such an illuminating light into my life and times. This light is the light of what's called the core of the great central sun, the light behind all light. In the very core of that light, there is the essence of change. Loving, complete, positive, compassionate change. And I welcome that light into the very core of my being, into what's called my soul flame, right behind my breastbone, the seat of my soul, my great reason for life. And this light and the light of my soul flows throughout me, all around and about me. And I give up. I give up the fear that causes habit, sameness, boredom. I give it all up. And it's replaced by this light. And my great and good fortune is that I get to reprogram myself. So for right now, I'm just going to put the light of all life and all love and all kindness and all prosperity and abundance and creativity, artistic ability, forgiveness, neutrality. Everything that leaves me is replaced with this light. And I am prospered. I am in the midst of success, the light of life, my true life, which comes from the essence that is my soul, and is blessed with the light of the great central sun. And I'm at peace. I'm at peace.